Hello, welcome to the session on trolley setting. Let us look at the objective of this session. At the end of the session, you will be able to carry out trolley setting. The tools and materials that are to be placed in the trolley are 2 plastic bowls, 2 pairs of hand gloves, electric sanitizer, first aid box, cotton pads, water as per need, 2 towels, alcohol as per need, formalin as per need, Lysol as per need, boric acid as per need, hydrogen peroxide as per need, trolley to carry all these materials. The specific trolley arrangement may vary depending on the salon's layout and the preferences of the salon professionals. Let's look at the general procedure for setting up the trolley in a salon. Gather the necessary items that are commonly used during salon services. This may include hairdressing tools like combs, brushes, clips, sectioning clips, hairpins, hair rollers, curling irons, straighteners, etc. Cutting tools include scissors, thinning shears, razors, trimmers, etc. Styling products like hairsprays, gels, mousses, serums, heat protectants, etc. Color and treatment supplies like hair color bowls, brushes, foils, gloves, capes, hair masks, conditioners, etc. Nail care tools include nail files, buffers, cuticle pushers, cuticle nippers, nail clippers, nail polishes, etc. Skin care supplies include cotton pads, cotton swabs, facial cleansers, toners, moisturizers, face masks, etc. Organize the items on the trolley in a logical and accessible manner. Place frequently used items in easily accessible compartments or on the top shelf of the trolley. Group similar items together to keep them organized and avoid confusion. Use trays or compartments to separate different categories of tools and supplies. Keep sharp or potentially hazardous items securely stored to prevent accidents. Position the trolley in a convenient location that allows easy access to the required items without interfering with other salon activities. Clearly label the compartments or sections on the trolley to make it easier to find and return items. Keep the trolley clean and organized at all times. Dispose of any used items appropriately and regularly disinfect the trolley to maintain a clean and hygienic working environment. Now, let's see some considerations for an effective trolley setting in a salon. First, place the trolleys in convenient locations such as near styling stations or treatment areas to minimize the time and effort required to retrieve and return items. Organize the trolleys based on the types of supplies they hold. Regularly restock the trolleys with the necessary supplies, ensuring that items are readily available when needed. Ensure that the trolleys are stable and secure, with sturdy wheels and locks to prevent accidental movements or spills. This protects both the salon professionals and the clients. Let's see some common items that are often placed or stocked in a salon trolley. Hairstyling tools include hair dryers, curling irons and wands, flat irons, hair brushes and combs, hair rollers or clips, hair pins and bobby pins, hair styling products, hairspray, mousse, serums, etc. Then, here are some hair cutting tools that will be required. Scissors, thinning shears, razor for texturizing, hair clippers or trimmers. Some of the hair coloring supplies include hair color tubes or bowls, developer or oxidizing agents, mixing brushes or spatulas, measuring cups or scales, foils or color wraps. Some of the nail care equipment include nail drills or electric files, UV or LED nail lamps for curing gel polish, nail brushes and files. When using a salon trolley, there are some important do's and don'ts to keep in mind to ensure its proper usage. Here are some do's and don'ts with a salon trolley. Do keep the salon trolley clean and sanitized regularly to maintain a hygienic workspace. Do organize the items in the trolley in a logical and easily accessible manner for efficient use. Do restock the trolley with necessary supplies regularly to ensure availability during salon operations. Do secure the items in the trolley properly to prevent them from falling or shifting during movement. Do handle the trolley with care, especially when moving it around the salon to avoid collisions with people or objects. Do place the trolley in a designated area when not in use to keep the salon space tidy and avoid creating obstacles. Here is the don'ts in trolley setting. Don't overload the trolley with excessive weight that exceeds its capacity, as it can compromise stability and make it difficult to move safely. Don't leave the trolley unattended in areas where it can obstruct walkways or pose a hazard to others. Let's recap the key points discussed. Trolley setting in a salon involves organizing trolleys for storing and transporting salon tools and supplies. Keep the trolley clean, organize items, restock regularly, secure items, and handle with care. Don't overload, leave unattended in walkways, misuse, place delicate items without protection, or leave sharp tools exposed in a trolley. This brings us to the end of the session. Hope you have gained a good understanding about the trolley setting. See you in the next session.